Want to make your music or podcasts visually pop? Today, I'll show you exactly how to create a dynamic audio spectrum. Let's get started. First, import your audio track and your background image or video into your project. Next, create a new composition. Set your desired dimensions, like 1920 by 1080, and make sure the duration matches your audio length. Click OK. Now, drag both your background image and your audio file down into the composition. Right-click in the timeline, select New, and choose Solid. Make sure it has the same dimensions as your composition, and click OK. Head over to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Audio Spectrum. Drag and drop that effect directly onto your new black solid layer. You'll see a basic spectrum appear right in the center. To make it react to your music, go to the Effect Controls panel. Under the Audio Layer dropdown, select your audio track as the source. Now for the fun part. Play around with the settings to see what they do. For my specific look, I set the frequency bands to 58, maximum height to 6010, and thickness to 13. To make the colors match perfectly, I sourced the inside and outside colors directly from the background image. Finally, for the display options, change it to Side A. To finish up, just adjust the spectrum's position under the transform settings so it sits exactly where you want it. And that's it, a perfectly sync audio visualizer in minutes. If this quick tip helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more editing tutorials.